folks, welcome to another video. As always, please like, share, subscribe. Check out my friends in the description box below. Please have a look at my Teespring store. It's a merchandise store. We have hoodies, t-shirts, cups, all sorts of products in all sorts of colours. Anyway, this is just a quick video. As a lot of you are probably aware, a friend of mine in America, Outlaw Edge, his name is ARCO. Now, I haven't got the money or even a passport to go see him, so I'm doing the next best thing. We have a shop in Northampton called ARCO, so we're going to go check it out. Oh! I have entered ARCO. It's warmer than I expected. Oh, right, I'm actually here for some gloves. They're actually a safety shop that do all sorts of shit, so I need some gloves. Oh, lovely. Let's try these on. Oh, that slips straight in, that does. Oh yes, slippage. Oh, I have penetrated that rim, lovely. Right, I'm going to stop messing about and buy some gloves. Well, I successfully entered ARCO. Penetration was easy, it was warm, it was cosy. You know, the gloves just slipped on. It was an easy process, really. There was nothing complicated about it. So yeah, like I said, just a quick video, and I'll catch you for the next one.